Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use two cards on Amazon. This is incredibly useful when you want to combine an Amazon gift card balance with a credit or debit card to complete your purchase, especially if your gift card doesn't quite cover the full amount. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the cart icon. Click on it to view all the items you've added. If you'd like, you can browse for your preferred product first before heading to checkout. But for now, let's assume you've already added items to your cart. Now, if you have multiple items in your cart but only want to purchase specific ones, simply uncheck the boxes next to the items you don't want to buy right now. Once you've selected what you want, look over to the right panel and click on Proceed to Checkout. This will move you forward to the payment process. Next, you'll need to select your delivery address. Choose the address where you want your item shipped. This step is important because it determines your shipping options and ensures your order arrives at the right location. After that, if you have an Amazon gift card balance, this is where you'll apply it. Look for the section labeled Enter a Gift Card Voucher or Promotional Code. In the text field provided, type in your Amazon coupon code or gift card number. Then click Apply. Amazon will automatically add that balance to your order, reducing the total amount you owe. Now comes the second card. Add or choose your credit or debit card from the payment options available. Select the card you want to use for the remaining balance. Amazon's system is smart enough to automatically apply your gift card balance first toward the total. The remaining amount, which is the total minus your gift card balance, will then be charged to the credit or debit card you just selected. This seamless split ensures you maximize your gift card while covering the rest with your other payment method. Finally, review your order details one last time to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click Place Your Order. Your purchase will be processed and Amazon will charge both payment methods accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully used two cards on Amazon to complete your purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.